Welcome to Recipe Ideas. My first idea is tilapia, steamed tilapia with brown spicy rice. Take you one of those expandable steamer gizmos. Water this high. Boil it. Medium level heat. Throw your tilapia on it, on top of the collapsible device, so the water's below it. But first, thaw it out first, your tilapia, under lukewarm water. 12 minutes, it's done. Flip it over. 6 minutes into it, get you a skillet, vegetable oil, have it on the side, throw your rice, if it fits, in the gizmo expandable steamer device. Steam the rice 5-6 minutes, throw it in the pan, already medium heat vegetable oil in the skillet, throw your rice in there, throw a little soy sauce in there, throw a little cayenne already powdered up, sprinkle cayenne pepper in the rice with the soy sauce, fry for 6 minutes over medium heat in the vegetable oil with the soy sauce. Add black pepper. You have a tilapia spicy brown rice meal, and serve it with a little bit of steamed broccoli if you wish, or baked broccoli if you wish. Next is chicken with delicious capers. Bake your chicken breast, skinless and of course boneless. Get you some capers. Throw your capers on top of the chicken when it's done. 400 degrees for 35 minutes. Boom bomb. Here we go. I like long cut winter green beans. Long cut green beans. Throw them in the skillet or microwave. However, if you get them fresh or in a can, I like them fresh. Throw a little butter. Bake it for about 15 minutes on about 375 degrees in a casserole pan or a cookie sheet or a baking pan or whatever, and season it, salt, pepper, a little onion powder, boom bam, you're done. You got chicken caper and long cut green beans. Hoo-yah. Garlic bread on the side. Other ideas. Heavy cream, cheddar cheese, whole milk or almond milk, whichever you prefer, or vegan cheese, it doesn't even matter. If you like dairy-free cheese or cheese, cheddar cheese. Okay, leeks. Chop you some leeks, throw it in the pan with the water. Add a cup to 2 cups of water, the cheddar cheese, the cream, and the milk. Okay. Low cook it for 45 minutes on simmer. Low heat. Season it however you want. Black pepper, white. I use white pepper in this kind of dish, and a little bit of parsley. There you go. Cheddar cheese soup. Take you some already pre-made frozen rolls or homemade rolls or whatever, biscuits, dunk it in the soup. There you go. Another food idea, lastly but leastly, will be, let's pick a good one. Cod. Baked breaded cod. Get you some cod, get you some already breadcrumbs, basic breadcrumbs, egg, crack your egg, throw it over the fish. Get you some onion buns, throw you in some peanut oil, fry, batter it in the egg, put over your breadcrumb, dip it in, throw it in the skillet, fry it till it's brown and crispy. Take your onion bun, throw you a little bit of tartar sauce in there, a little bit of crisp lettuce. Uh, there you go. You got you a fish sandwich. If you want fries, shoestring fries are one of my favorites. Shit, just go to, if you have time, go to Steak and Shake. I love their shoestring fries. If you guys leave me ideas, however, want recipe ideas in the comment section, pick a food item or whatever. If you're curious, want to know something, just shoot me up, hit me up, because I only cover fish and eggs products and poultry like turkey and chicken and duck and pigeon. Pigeon and duck is delicious, and Cornish game hen is delicious, and gravy and mashed potatoes, and green beans. Later, Gators.